Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make my croissant at home recipe. So the ingredients are cheese, ham, croissant, delicious. Let's start this round. Round one for it. Let's go. Cut the bun into pieces. Wow, using for that a knife. Delicious croissant, as you can see. Cut it. Oh yeah. Delicious croissant. Now add or insert some delicious cheese. Cheese. Delicious. We will build our own croissant at home. Now put the ham on top of the cheese. This is delicious. Ham, bam, bam. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Push it a little bit inside. Oh, that will be delicious. Now switch on your microwave for about 40 seconds and then your delicious recipe self-made croissant will be ready to eat. And there it is, delicious croissant recipe at home. Yeah. Enjoy. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time. Soon.